our food is him.
Amen, babe.
Amen.
Yin. Yin. Izodla luhle. Ozodla.
Hey everybody, Amrala to the What's Cooking channel. Today we're cooking chicken feet. These are some of the ingredients that you'll need. You'll need cooking oil, your chicken feet obviously, because it's a chicken feet that we're making. You'll need some onions, green pepper, and some garlic cloves. So you're gonna chop up your onions, chop, put them in the pan as well as the chopped garlic. Saute for a good 1 to 3 minutes. And once you see that it's nicely golden brown, and you will then later add your green pepper. I'm a firm believer that you can never ever go wrong with green pepper. So here I'm adding some green pepper, which I'm going to saute this for an extra 2 to 3 minutes. Here I then started putting in the chicken feet, and I realized that this might not actually work because the pan was too small and my veggies were already so well cooked. So I decided, let me actually just change the whole pot, put the chicken feet in a whole different, like in that pot, and then start fresh and cook them in this pot instead. So this is what I'm doing here. I am moving the chicken feet from that pot to this one over here. So the stove needs to be at medium heat, and then I put some mixed herbs, and you can go ahead and put 1.5 teaspoon, but I just put enough to cover the top surface of the chicken feet. And then I added some paprika. Also, you can just put 1 teaspoon. And then I added some ginger and garlic masala, my favorite. This is literally a plug, okay? Then I added some turmeric for that nice golden brown color, honey. So if you want to achieve a nice gold chicken feet, please do make sure to add in some turmeric. Gently mix your chicken feet with the ingredients that you just put in and let it cook. Chicken feet consist of bones, skin, and tendon, but no muscles. These are packed with protein, calcium, trace minerals, collagen, and cartilage that are easily absorbed by the body. These are the essential nutrients required for good joint movement to minimize arthritis and joint pain. The cooking time for chicken feet depends on how you want them. If you want a chewy texture, cook the chicken feet for 8 minutes. If you want a soft version, cook for 12 to 15 minutes. However, don't overcook them, otherwise the skin and shape will be destroyed. As you can see now, I'm adding my veggies. I also have potatoes that I cooked earlier, so I'm going to put them in as well. So just ensure that the water level is at least at midpoint. So you could see earlier in the video, I did gradually add some water as I was cooking. Then add a pinch of salt or 2. It really depends on your salt tolerance. I then prepared 2 beef stocks in nice lukewarm water, which I then add into the chicken feet, and it also really creates a nice flavor and brownness to the chicken feet. Then allow it to cook for an extra 2 minutes. Then as you are cooking, prepare a cup of soup. we added the potatoes that I cooked earlier and then let them cook into the chicken feet, and as they are nicely golden brown, you add your cup of soup, and this is how it looks in the end, but still cooking and it's ready to serve.